Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexa's here with the Modesty. Well, today I got my IPSY Plus, and I had forgotten that I get IPSY still, and I think I want to get two. One is IPSY Glam Plus, and the other one is the IPSY X. So this is the Glam Plus, so if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. Well, you know, I really have forgotten that I still get an IPSY, and this is the IPSY Glam Plus, and I really need to look at the price because it used to be $35 or $25, and I think it's gone ups now. Ups? Oh my God, I'm adding S's to everything today. I don't know why. I did that to my husband just now, so I'm like, okay. Let's see, how much is IPSY Glam Plus? And let's see if Google will give me a simple answer or if it's going to give me a whole bunch of crazy answers. Whoops, sorry about that. And let's see, it says, yeah, it's like a bunch. And when I asked for IPSY, you would think that it would come up with IPSY. No, but it came up with like everything else but IPSY. And let's see what it says here. There's a lot of ads. It says 5 full-size product every month for just $28. So there you go. There's the answer, $28. So it went from $25 to $28. And I think I decided to keep this bag because it wasn't too bad, I think. Or I wanted to at least keep one bag and or one box. And BoxyCharm kind of made me mad, so I canceled them. And I do like their X, so I think that's probably the reason why I did keep it. But yeah, we're gonna unbox that today. But before we do that, let's go ahead and look for a affirmation. Okay, let's see, what do we got today? Okay. Oh, that's stop. It has 2 words. Kid you not, 2 words. Look at that. Do you see it? Yeah, this is a good one. Enjoy today. And I have said this in so many other words in the past about, you know, not worrying about tomorrow and forget about yesterday and just really focus on today. That's what this is about. I mean, in order for you to really enjoy the moment, enjoy today, enjoy now, you have to really focus intentionally on the now. And forget about yesterday and forget about tomorrow for now, and just really relax and think about the moment that you're in. And I do that sometimes, and I'm sitting here with my plants surrounding me, and you know, I just really enjoy my now. And that's another reason why, like, a lot of times people focus on, you know, oh, let me get a picture. You know, I don't take as many pictures as I used to because, you know, what good are pictures? You show other people and, you know, you kind of look at it, but you kind of miss the now, and you're looking at it through a lens and not really now. Looking at the clouds, the cumulus clouds that are out there, I mean, it's just gorgeous, and I'm enjoying the now and not just pulling out my camera, taking a picture of it, and later on saying, look, that's a cumulus cloud I saw, because you know what? It's not the same. Really living in a moment and enjoying now is really important. So yeah, enjoy today. Very, very nice. So yeah, I put a star on that, even though a heart on that, even though, you know, it's a little simple, I'll remember, but it's really important. So okay guys, unlike yesterday, I'm not gonna forget my by Terry, and this is going to be Advent Day 23. Okay, if I did everything right, that's what it should be. Okay, but let's make sure here. And this is 22 from yesterday. Remember the cute little kabuki brush? Yeah. And so this is number 23. I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out. Oh, another like a liquid type of thing. But interesting. Okay, hold on. Oh, this looks kind of weird. Looks like Coca-Cola in a bottle is what it looks like. Sorry about the sound. You notice, you see, seriously, it looks like soy sauce in there. Look at the color. What is that? Let me see. And that is so really weird. I thought it was a color at the bottom, but no, it's a liquid. Tea to Tan. Oh, face and body tanner? No transfer, sheer infusion, dual matte and satin tan effect. So how does that work? I mean, is there like a thing that you gotta shake? Oh yeah, you do have to shake it. But that is, look at this. Look at that. It's like a tanner. I don't know if I ever want to do something like that. I'd be afraid that I'll be looking all kinds of funny. I'll be looking all spotty and stuff. But oh, this is nice once you shake it up. Look at it. Look at it. It's like a golden color. You see? Huh. Is this a tanner? Very interesting. You know, I don't think I'm going to keep this. I don't know. Maybe I'll try it or something on my legs or something where people can't see, you know? And if it works out, then maybe I'll try it on my face. So, yeah. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of funny. So, anyway, that's that. And let's go ahead and open our IPSY bag. Okay. Oh, that opened easy. That's kind of weird. It opened up like quite easy. Not like tearing it apart. So, okay. Okay, it looks like everything is in this bag. And here it is. And this is a cute bag, actually. This is a pretty nice bag with little stars all over it. Pink with the stars. Okay, let's see what we have. Do we have a card in here? And we do have a card, but I don't think it has the stuff in it. No, this is 'Tis the Season to Treat Yourself. It just tells you when is Mix and Match, a Be Merry shopping event. And then you have IPSY pop-up and then limited edition mystery bags and end-of-year flash sale. You know what? I've not been taking advantage of any of that because I really don't, you know. In the past, I was purchasing things just to buy them. And really, and I really stopped doing that because I'm like, yeah, if I don't need it, I'm not going to buy it. And the thing is, I'm trying to be a minimalist, which is not going to be possible because I'm always collecting something. Like, look at my plants. It's like craziness over there right now. But yeah, but I'm trying to like calm down on makeup and things that I don't really need because I still get boxes. I still have plenty for giveaway, believe me. So, yeah. Okay, so, and it also has a 2022 beauty horoscopes. Straight from the stars with astrology duo Spell is Sisters. Oh, mine is Virgo. Listen to this. Say no to unnecessary excess. Pare back your routine and indulge in simplicity. I kid you not. That's what it says. Look, for Virgo. So, see, I am aligned and in tune with my horoscope without having to read it from somebody else. So very interesting. Okay, they see my daughter is a Cancer. It says, keep your travel kit light so you can glow anywhere on a whim. That's for my daughter. Huh, okay. Interesting. So anyway, time to shine, sparkling, shimmering, totally unforgettable. This month, wrap yourself in silver and gold beauty looks. Get your skin glowing and share your light inside and out with ones you love. So that's what it says, December 2021, okay? But it doesn't tell you what's in here because they never do, right? Because it's really complicated. Okay, and I have the first thing in here, Belle en Argent is what it says, right? Belle en Argent, yeah. It's a face brush. And I will go ahead and hold on to this because I have so many face brushes, guys. I don't even want to open it because it has that little, you know, seal. And so I'll go ahead and hold on to this for a future giveaway. And next is a lactic acid and hyaluronic acid improves pores and textures while hydrating and smoothing for dewy, refreshed looking skin. And this is by, Kate Somerville, and it's Exfoliate, and this is a glow moisturizer, and that I can go ahead and use because I like her stuff, and I have used her, I think it's called the goat's milk lotion, and I did like it, and so I could always give her stuff a try because I have used it, and it's a moisturizer. Everybody, you know, I can use a moisturizer anytime, and it looks like moisturizer, yeah, there it is. And so cute. It has this little, look. Yeah. I wonder if it's got a seal on it. I don't want to open it because I don't want to, I don't want to open it and it doesn't have anything in there. But it's got plenty of warnings. How to use AM and PM. Apply an even layer to clear skin. And it says here, warning, use only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes. Sunburn alert. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Yeah, of course, you should always wear sunscreen. And this is cruelty-free. It's made in the USA. So yeah, okay, there it is. One thing that I can use. And next is by Complex Culture Good Glow Blush Duo. Okay, guys, I just decluttered all my blushes and my highlighters. You guys see me declutter the highlighters. The blush, I just couldn't stand it, so I just did it. So, but this is nice, and it is a duo. And it says Total Glow and Subtle Glow. It comes with this little thing here. Let me remove that real quick. All right. Oh, this is actually very pretty colors. These are actually colors that I use. But you know what? I have so many of these. And one is Blissed Out, and the other one is called Flustered. And so, yeah, this is actually pretty. But like I said, I'm not going to be using it. I'm not going to keep it because I'm not going to keep anything I'm not going to use in the near future. And I'm just not going to continue to hold on to it. So, yeah, this is going to get away and the giveaway. Because, yeah, I don't want to continue to hold on to things that I'm not going to use. Because later on, I'll end up giving it away anyway. Okay, and here is looks like eyeshadow palette. And this is a Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette. And it's by Shayna B of Miami. And there it is. This is kind of cute. Look at this. And, oh, nice. So here's a cover. I'm going to remove that for you. And it does come with a protected mirror. You have to peel that off. And look at these colors. These kind of remind me of Jeffree Star. Yeah. Yeah, these are nice colors. Yeah, there's the frost and the glitter up top, and here is the matte. Okay, all right, but you know what? I have so many eyeshadows again. I'm not gonna keep this either, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a giveaway because I have so much, and it's just, it's crazy for me to continue to save these things and hope and then hopes that I'm going to use it, and I end up swatching it and then giving it to you after it's been swatched, which I prefer not to do. And so, and the next thing here is called a Icon. What does it say? Badass Icon by Uoma Beauty, and it's a matte lipstick. Okay, lipstick I can do. There we go. And especially if it's, I think it's red. It's called Diana. Okay, Diana is the name. And, oh, maybe the writing is just in red. I love red lipsticks. I don't know if you know that, but you never see me wear it because, yeah. And this is Diana, and I think it's red. Hold on, let's see. It says here, badass does not talk about being a badass. That's true, because I hate saying those words, but I'm having to read those for you. And here we go. And, ooh, this is nice. I like this color because this is very muted red. This is almost like a brick red, and I don't have one like this. Look at this. Seriously, this is very nice, and I definitely will keep this lipstick because I don't have one like this muted. And the ones I have is a little more, this has got like a brown undertone instead of an orange or blue. I look good in blue and also brown, but not orange undertone. Orange undertone just makes me look crazy. So yeah, this one looks like a brown undertone. So yeah. Okay, I'll go ahead and keep that. Hey, one thing I'm keeping. And I think that's it, guys. You know what? Like I said, I don't want to hold on to any of this stuff anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a giveaway today for these two, which is the, what is that? The blush and eyeshadow palette. Okay, and I'll just go ahead and throw in the brush too. These three things, go ahead and use the word IPSY. IPSY, IPSY. I'm just going to go ahead and put these back into here. And I'll wrap it though, because I can't, even though they sent it like this, I think I'll wrap it with something because I don't want it to like, yeah, get damaged. So yeah, you'll get the Complex Culture Blush, Shayna of Miami eyeshadow palette, and this, let's see. I think that's what it says, Belen Argent. Yeah, that's what it says, Belen Argent. So these 3 things going right back into the bag. I will wrap it afterwards. And the word is IPSY, but unfortunately, you know that I am only opening the giveaways to the U.S., okay? And contiguous U.S., including Hawaii and Alaska. But that's all I can do for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and please include the word IPSY, and that is your key. And yeah, other than that, make sure you subscribe to me, as well as like this video, please. And what else? I think that's it. And since I have a couple of giveaways that I have going on now, so I'm just going to throw this in there because I don't want to hold on to it anymore. I'm trying to declutter, guys. So I'm just going to give it right to you, okay? Alrighty, so if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe button right below looks just like the one above. Please hit it until it turns gray and ring the bell so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Yeah, just go ahead, and if I might have missed any, I could have missed a rule or two. So there's always rules below, and now scroll down until you see the rules and follow them if you want to win. Alright? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, a good weekend, regardless when you're watching this. But just remember, what is really important is that in this field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. I'm really tired of holding on to this stuff, so I'm just gonna start giving away just like that because yeah, I need to go to the post office though for the other people, but yeah, it's just been a crazy week, and I hope you guys are gearing up to the holidays. And I think today is the 22nd, right? So you have only 3 more days. So yeah, I hope you enjoy your family, enjoy whatever state of being you're in, and just be careful out there. The COVID is still out there. Make sure you mask and wash your hands or gel your hands as much as possible to avoid the infections, okay? Alrighty, well, I love you all, and thank you from the bottom of my left ventricles. See you soon.